Hey guys, welcome back to Styrene Relics. I want to give you a quick little update on my buddy build with Phil Horton over at Horton's Hot Rod Shop. It's coming along. I'm going to do a video on it separate. It's not quite finished up yet, but it's getting there. And then Funny Car is in the paint booth. I got some white paint on it, so but what I do want to show you, if I keep bouncing you guys around a little bit, sorry, is I've been waiting for a package to show up in the mail today, and it did, and I am stoked. So first off, I want to show you, I've had this for a while. I'm sure you guys have seen it. And it's the Green Elephant 1/16 scale. Really like this. Been wanting to build this for a little bit. Kind of been wanting to do some bigger scale. Mostly my eyesight is really getting bad and I'm having a rough time with some stuff. So I'm hoping this here will help that out. I ended up getting this the other day. Man, I'm really happy with this. I went down to the hobby shop, Great Lakes Hobbies, and picked this up. Real happy to do that. My wife went with me. I didn't get a chance to spend a whole lot of time down there, but I got what I wanted. What I got in the mail, I got it in from Auto Models LLC. These folks were at the Macomb Toy Show last year, and I believe this spring. I don't know if they'll be there this fall, but I kept their card and really thought it was pretty cool that they had some really decent prices on there. And so my package came in today, and the probably not going to be able to read it, but the receipt here, it says, he wrote down at the bottom, "Thank you so much, Paul. Your order is the first via our website." And then he signed his name to it. So I got their very first order on their website. So yeah, these guys have got some really decent prices, guys. When they were at the toy show, they had really good prices there also. So check them out, and you won't be sorry. What came in the mail? Well, I'm almost as excited as Tim over at Throttle Power. This bad boy came in, and I'm just as stoked as he is. 1973, I think it was the last time this one has been released, and so I'm really happy to get this. I haven't even opened it up yet. I'm thinking I might open this up and do a walkthrough and let you guys see it inside, because I don't know if a whole lot of people have got them yet. I think it just came out either last week or week before. So yeah, Mickey Thompson's Marine Funny Car. Really super neat. It's been issued about 2 or 3 different times. This is the one that I remember seeing as a kid, because it was so cool. It was the Marines, and I thought that was really neat. And then he had one, a Revell one that was yellow, and then there was a red one. But the other one that really sticks out in my mind was he had a black one, and it had it had Mickey Thompson on the side, and I think Revell liner or something like that, and then it had flames in the back half where the rear tires were. There were flames back there, and I remember seeing that, but I vaguely can't remember everything about it, but that's kind of neat. I do want to say I'm going to end up getting one more of these because there's a set of decals out there that I want to get to build this as a different car. And so yeah, that's going to be pretty cool. So it looks like I'm going to have to dedicate one of my display cases to 1/16 scale because I've got a dragster over here, Don Perdome's dragster, rear engine dragster, that double kit. I've got the dragster one, but I don't have the funny car. So I'm going to have to do that. And I've got some other ones, you know, NASCAR stuff and like that. So yeah, I might be dipping my toe into the 1/16 stuff. So I'm kind of excited. That, and I've got some 1/8 scale, a couple of those too. But all right, well, just wanted to show you that. I'll probably do a box, you know, opening on the Marine, that Mickey Thompson. So, all right, that's all I got for now, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.